guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a spring lookbook. I'm seriously so excited because it is finally May and a lot of these outfits are really fun for transitioning your spring wardrobe into summer. So I hope you guys enjoy these outfits. They are all part of my monogram haul that I just got. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will insert a card so you can go check it out. The pieces are from Marley Lilly. They did send them to me and I'm completely obsessed with them. I will have Marley Lilly linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. I don't have a discount code or anything, but they have sales all the time and everything is so reasonably priced that I just absolutely love it. And I had so much fun styling all of these pieces, and a lot of you guys who did watch the video previously commented asking for a styling video on how to style these pieces. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get started, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload a new video, and then my videos will show up in your subscription box, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, and we're just gonna roll into the first outfit. So the first outfit is by far my favorite of the whole lookbook. I think it's so stinking cute, but it's so simple, but I feel like it's trendy. It's perfect for those warmer spring days rolling into summer. And it is this adorable blue tank top. So this is in the haul. I think it's so cute. I got this in a size small. It is just like a navy tank top with a white monogram. And oh my goodness, it fits so well. It's so comfy. The material is perfect for that summertime heat. So if it's really warm, this is your go-to material. It's very flattering, and since it is a little bit longer on me, did tuck it in to my shorts, and I just decided to style it with some denim cutoffs. These are from Shein. I had them for around 3 years now and I love them. I'm on the hunt for some more denim shorts so I can have some recommendations for you guys. I haven't been able to find this exact same pair to link it, but oh my goodness, they are so comfy, so cute. I love how they're kind of distressed and like have these little frays at the bottom. I feel like it kind of gives it that like fun summertime vibe. But these colors, I love blue on blue. I feel like it's just the perfect denim and blue combination. I think it's such an easy but fun look to throw it together and just perfect for spring and summer. And I did pair this outfit with my all white bijas. So you guys will see in this lookbook that I styled all of these outfits with these shoes just because they're so versatile. There's so many different ways to style them, and I think having a pair of white sneakers for the spring and summer is a must. So if you don't have a pair of white sneakers, go get a pair. It doesn't have to be name brand or anything, but they are a outfit game changer, and I love these shoes so much. I think they're so cute and they just kind of make any outfit a little bit more casual, but also they're just really comfy and practical for the summer. But that is the first outfit. Now I want to share with you guys outfit number 2. So like I mentioned in my Marley Lilly haul, I was like, I'm probably going to be wearing this black tank top t-shirt dress like crazy. Love it. It's so comfy. It's so perfect for this warmer weather, and I just think it's so simple and so cute, yet it's preppy because it has my little monogram on it. So I just got the fishtail detailing on mine in white. I love the black and white contrast. I feel like it's just so like fresh and crisp and clean, and I just think it's so cute. But I did try to style this a little bit differently than I like suggested in that video. So in that video I said maybe throw like a denim jacket on or like cinch it in at the waist, and I kind of went a different route, and this is kind of different for my channel because It's still preppy, but it's a little sporty. So I threw on this black Nike baseball cap. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It was on sale. It's part of their dry fit line, and I love this hat. I am not a huge hat wearer because I don't like having like my vision blocked or anything, but this hat is so cute. I don't even feel like I'm wearing a hat when I wear it, and I love the little detail on the back. Again, it's just that really crisp, clean look because it's like all black with a little pop of white, and I just thought it was super adorable. I think if you really wanted to go like full sporty look on this, you could add a pair of like running sneakers, but I just styled it with my white VJs again. Like I mentioned, I feel like it kind of made it a little bit more dressed up than full sporty look, but I honestly really like that, and I feel like sporty outfits are really on trend, so it was really cute and then also very preppy. And then the last outfit I want to share with you guys is this one. So I know a lot of you guys live all over, which is so stinking cool. We're so close to 15,000 subscribers, which just means the world to me. And I think it's just so fascinating how we can all live in so many different places yet connect in one little channel. I think it's so cool and it blows my mind. And I get tons of comments on my videos like, can you do colder weather outfits? Can you do warmer weather outfits? So those were if it's really warm, but if you're still living somewhere where it's a bit chilly, because we have our days in Ohio, it's like up and down. Like last week, no, I think it was 2 weeks ago, it was like 85 degrees, and then the next like 2 days it snowed, so you just gotta be prepared. So the last thing I styled in this video was my Marley Lilly crew neck pullover. I think this is so stinking cute and such a staple piece for any preppy girl's wardrobe. So it is just this light blue color, which, oh my goodness, it's seriously so pretty. And I love it. It's kind of like a really light heather. It has some white in it. I just got my white monogram in it just because I feel like the white just really makes it pop, and I love this. So I did get this in a size small, and I'm only 5'4". So if you're a little short like I am, I'd like to say average, but technically I'm kind of short. It runs really long, so I don't really know how to suggest about that. It's really nice if you like more full coverage on the bottom, but I usually wear my stuff cropped just because I'm so short. So this was a little bit of a struggle to style, but I think it's so cute. So I did do that like TikTok trick where you tuck it in and tuck it up, so that's how it looks short, but it really does go about mid-thigh on me. So again, just a little heads up if you're shorter like I am, but super cute. I love it. And I styled it with a pair of high-waisted skinny jeans from Abercrombie and Finch. I think it's just such a super cute look. I love the look of like a cropped hoodie, just because we all know it's not cropped, with these high-waisted pants, just because I feel like it's really flattering on a lot of body types. So I really like that, especially it's flattering on me, so that's how I shared it. And then I cuffed up my jeans and styled it with my white VJs again. I feel like it's such a simple look, but such a fun spring preppy outfit. So those are all my outfits that I'm sharing with you guys. Be sure to check out Marley Lilly. Again, I will have them linked down below, and just a huge shout out to Marley Lilly for sending me such cute pieces to style. I would love to hear in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys, and I would love to talk to you, so be sure to leave a comment. And again, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It really means the world to me. Like I mentioned, we're almost to 15,000 subscribers, which again is so exciting and so mind-blowing, so I just can't thank you guys enough. I love you so much, and I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!